Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the best low-budget camera bag this year. Our favorite choice is the Estarer DSLR Camera Backpack. The Estarer Camera Backpack has always been the first choice for low budget. The positive review by the customer has enhanced the popularity of this product. It has 10 removable and adjustable Velcro dividers which help you keep your equipment in an organized way. The lightweight camera bag is always its unique feature. The water-resistant material allows you to carry your backpack in adverse in rainy season also. Besides, this has also a mesh pocket to store small accessories like batteries, USB etc. Moving to the best features. External size is 16.5 by 6.3 by 9.8. Weight 1.1 kg. Perfectly store your DSLR, SLR camera, lens, flash and accessories, tripod, chargers and extra chargers, small accessories, 15.6-inch laptop, iPad and other goods. Front compartment with 10 movable Velcro dividers, adjust the way you want to fit any type of equipment like drone or camera. Zipper closure mesh pocket fit for some small accessories, like USB, wet wipes. Padding pocket on the wall of front flap hold your iPad or notebooks. Rear laptop pocket, with padding 15.6-inch laptop compartment, and a zipper closed pocket on the wall of backpack. One side pocket is for rain cover or water bottle while tripod is attached on the other side. Material this bag are water-resistant nylon, YKK smooth zippers. Reinforcement top handle and strap that can use longer in travel, working, weekender, outdoor, hiking, daily life and so on whether a professional photographer or an amateur photographer. Multi-purpose is the big feature of this bag. Estarer photography bag change into casual laptop bag by just taking out the Velcros to organize your various daily goods such as clothes, snacks and other necessities. Moving to the pros. It provides you with a rear laptop pocket so that you can carry your laptop while traveling. You can transform this into a normal backpack just by adjusting the straps and the Velcros.